Hello guys, today we make cartellate, typical kind of pastry from the south of Italy. It's not baked but it's deep fried, so it's spectacular. For this recipe you need 250 grams of flour, 50 milliliter of oil. Before they were using olive oil, you can use the oil that you find in your country. 80 milliliter of white wine is already here, 20 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, a pinch of cinnamon, plus the skin of an orange, few pieces. So what we do now, we remove the skin, we put with the oil and we fry the oil a little bit. When start frying, we off the fire, turn off the fire, and we put the oil directly in the flour with the other ingredient and we mix and prepare our dough. We work our dough at least 10 minutes. After we put apart, we cover and we should wait at least 30 minutes. In this way the dough will be more soft and easy to work. Now we need to smash our dough with something like this. If you have the machine, even better. Should be very thin. You can help yourself with a little bit of flour. Plus remember, this one should be always covered, because if the dough becomes a little bit dry, it's more difficult to smash it. And voila, the first cartellata is ready. Don't worry, after you will be very fast. The first one is always the most difficult one. Now I will work on my dough. After that you prepare the cartellate, you need to wait that they dry a little bit. Some people wait 2 hours, some people 6 hours, some people overnight, depend on the temperature and the humidity you have at home. So you have to try. See you later. With the extra dough that we cut from the cartellate, we make small balls that we smash on the fork of the grinder to give some decoration at the dough. We call this one porceduzzi, that means little pigs. I don't know why we call like this. And now we should fry them. So I will put the fried oil in my pot. I turn on the fire. When the oil starts to fry, you can put a piece of dough inside to check the temperature. And we fry our cartellate. Now we have to complete them with icing sugar or honey with a little bit of sugar, color candy sugar, I don't know how to say in English. Or the traditional way is with cooked wine. So you put dry figs and wine and let them boiling. And after you put the wine here on the cartellate. But because I have no time to make that kind of wine, I collect the wine from the pear cooked in the wine. You find the video here on the channel. Spectacular. Only guys, be careful, because with the porceduzzi is very dangerous. You will be addicted. Because they are crunchy, a bit crunchy outside and soft inside. Very, very, very yummy. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to share this video with your friends. For any request, any advice, please write down in the comment. Bye bye. Very, very crunchy.